Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about how to fix Bluetooth not connecting problem in your Redmi pads. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start, friends. So let's open the settings. Click on connection and sharing. So scroll down, you will see reset Bluetooth. You have to tap on it and just reset it like this. Press OK. Then you have to scroll down. Here it is, apps. Go to apps, manage apps, click on search, just write here settings, and as you can see there are lots of settings. Just scroll down. Here it is. You have to tap on it and clear the cache and clear the data. And if it is doesn't work, you have to restart your pad. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.